So we're here in the garage. I'm just getting a few things ready to go. I'm gonna go through a checklist. Basically, there's some things I want to do. Obviously, the keys to the car. You know, I'm towing the car, so I don't want to make sure that I forget the keys. Then there's the helmet. It's going to be somewhat hot outside, so luckily that Lexi bought me a cooler and some Gatorade to drink, and I'm bring some snacks. Also, something I want to try because my last track day, I ended up getting, if you can see it, a couple little nicks on the hood. It's not a major thing, but some of these little nicks, I just was like, man, you know what, I should have, I tried to put a film on here to protect some of the lower areas, but there's something I want to try. I saw it on Amazon. It's called Road Warrior Plus. It's a liquid paint protection kit. It's protecting rock chips, bugs, salt, all those nicks and stuff like that, minor stuff. But I'm hoping that, and what this is a temporary, think of it like a temporary clear bra. So I'm hoping that for my purpose of going to the track that I can temporarily protect the car, and then moving forward, maybe look onto a permanent solution. Obviously I need to fix these little minor paint chips first, and then look into wrapping the front of the car. All right, guys, so let's get started with it. Looks like it's just a sort of a roller with the brush. So I'm gonna open this real quick. It's a really tiny one. And that's it. So I'm just gonna roll in the paint and we'll get started. So first thing I'm gonna do is just spray the car over. I have Chemical Guys waterless car wash. So it's just some dust, a few minor little bugs, and some wipe off the car. All right, now that the car's clean, we'll go ahead and put the temporary film on the car. You need to make sure that you're putting on a clear coated, non-porous surface, and it's freshly waxed. Agitate but not shake, and apply with the roller. And then to remove it, it says out of direct sunlight, temperatures above 65. You wet the surface with some cold water, and then it should soften it, and you'll be able to either use a high pressure or peel it off. So I'm doing the agitation part now. Moderately agitating, but not shaking it. All right, just pour a little bit in here, and we're just gonna roll it on. I really don't like painting, so we'll see. This is too thick. Okay, have it on the car. It's starting to dry. As it dries clear. Think of this more like, remember back in the day you had glue on your hands, Elmer's school glue when you're in elementary school. And I don't know if everybody did this, but I know I did this. I would coat my whole hand with the Elmer's school glue, let it dry, and it will dry like clear, and I had this like clear film on my hand, and I had to peel it off. So this is what it reminds me of. It reminds me of that, just that glue goes on kind of white. But it dries clear. There is a little bit of, there's actually a lot of orange peel when it dries. But like I said, I don't care about the orange peel as long as it protects the car. I did everything on the front minus the headlights. Headlights already have a clear film on them. I didn't think it was necessary to coat them again, or coat them just because I don't know how easy the stuff is going to come off. It's made for like paint, and this stuff is not porous, but it's somewhat porous because it allows moisture to penetrate through it when you apply the film. So I just don't know. I'd just rather skip this part and just do the paint areas. The grill, not so much. It'd be harder to do the grill. I mean, I did a video on the grill changing out. So, I mean, if I were to get these damaged so bad, I could just change them out. Another part I was thinking about was hitting the front of the carbon fiber, just like maybe like a little strip. I don't know. I may or may not do it. I don't want to put anything on this carbon fiber top that could potentially ruin it. I know there's a clear coat on it. I don't know how thick it is. I don't want to do anything to it where now I just ruined the top of my car. So now, get ready for the track. All right, guys, just got back from the track. As you can see, had a few impact areas here. Looks like the rubber, piece of rubber. I mean, that's just given with the track. You're ever traveling high speed and tires get sticky, little things hit the front end here. Don't see any areas where, like, see right here, this is why I go over the hump of the hood right here. You know, sometimes you think like this is enough. I've got a black piece of rubber to hit this part here. Another one here. But looks like nothing broke through. Even some areas where I feel like it could have broke through the paint. I don't see anything. I see like where the film maybe got hit, but it looks like it did its job. So I'm gonna see if I can just remove it. I know it says cold water. Let me see if I can just remove it itself. It peels off. All right. See, it's all the way off. Took the pressure washer to it just to speed the process. Kind of made it a bigger mess. So here's all the stuff that fell on the ground. This is all of the film. It kind of wetted itself up, and the pressure washer just kind of pushed it the rest of the way off. Paint still in good condition. So I'm just right now just drying the car off and doing a few more things. But will I do it again? Yes. I think if I do this again, I would probably go for probably a thicker. I would probably apply maybe 2 or 3 coats. I think I read the bottle again. Looks like I said do 2 coats. I did 1 coat. So I think 2 coats, good thick coats, and I could probably peel it off like I did the hood. The hood peeled off nicely, but some of these other areas, these other like lower bumper, a little more intricate and everything else. I think it just kept breaking off little tiny pieces, and it was kind of thin here. So, guys, if you, like I said, I think this is a good alternative if you don't have your car wrapped or you just purchased, say you just bought a brand new car and you want to drive it cross country and you don't want to use, you just need that buy you some time until you can get a permanent solution. I think this works out. You found this product back when I transported Lexi's car, but we did this. We did this on her. We did a tape when we took our car cross country. So, thanks for watching. Another product review.